Hi, this is Christina with WTI. Have you been searching for some new iPhone chargers? Well, here are the perfect ones for you. These are the Apple Mfi Certified iPhone chargers. And I love these because not only do they come in a 3-pack, but they're 6 feet long. And that is twice the size of the normal iPhone charger that comes with your phone. So these are nice and long. They reach the back of the car when you have them plugged into the car. But even if you're just hanging out at home, you don't have to be standing next to the wall plug when your phone is charging anymore. You can be relaxing with your feet up and have these plugged in. It's so great and convenient. I also love the color of them. I love that they're this really pretty blue color. But they're also this really strong, durable material that does not tear. So it's this really strong nylon braided material, extra durable than the ones I've had in the past, and that was very important to me. So if you're just looking for some really good quality iPhone chargers that come in a 3-pack, these are most likely the iPhone chargers for you, but that's just my point of view.